If you want to learn how to refer and earn using Kodee AI, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your referral option, how to copy your link, how to share it properly, and how you can earn rewards when someone signs up through your referral. This is a great way to make the most out of the platform if you are already using Hostinger and want to turn your network into an earning opportunity. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to look around the dashboard carefully. The referral option may not be the very first thing you see, so take a moment to locate the section that says Refer and Earn up to $230. This is the icon or menu option you need to click to begin the referral process. When you select it, Hostinger will take you to the referral area where your personal sharing link is available. Now that you're in the referral section, the next step is to copy your referral link. This link is unique to your account, which means Hostinger can track any successful signups that come from the people you invite. To copy it, simply click the copy button next to your referral URL. Once copied, you can share it with the people you want to refer. You can send it by email, message, social media, or even place it in a content description if that's allowed for your use case. The important thing is that the person uses your link when they join. After you share the link, your job is to wait for them to take action. If the person you referred purchases hosting, VPS, one-click OpenClaw, or email plans, you become eligible for rewards. That means the referral program is not just about sending a link, it is about connecting the right people to the right products. The more useful your recommendation is, the more likely someone is to sign up and complete a purchase. So if you're making content, talking to clients, or helping friends set up their online presence, this can become a very practical way to earn. Once your referral converts, Hostinger will credit your account with rewards. You may be able to choose how you want to receive them, depending on the available payout options. In this case, you can earn through PayPal, a wire transfer, or Hostinger credit. That flexibility makes the program convenient because you can choose the method that works best for you. If you prefer direct money, PayPal or wire transfer may be the best option. If you want to keep using Hostinger services, credit may be the most useful choice. A few quick tips can help you get better results. First, make sure you're sharing your referral link with people who actually need the service. Second, explain the value clearly so they understand why Hostinger is useful. Third, always double check that you copied the correct referral link before sending it out. And finally, keep track of your referrals so you know which efforts are working best. And that's it. You've now learned how to refer and earn using Kodee AI through Hostinger in just a few simple steps. Log in, open the referral section, copy your link, share it, and earn rewards when someone signs up through you. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.